Now we will start with our PowerPoint presentation, please.
Sir, can you please share from your side?
Yes, we are doing that.
Okay.
The main aim of this project or the campaign which we have started from 1st October onwards, Mobile to Sports, Play at Home, to build a healthy nation and a healthy world. And many of the international and national sports persons have joined us in our efforts to do this. And I'm going to explain how we are going to achieve this and what we are going to do in this campaign and we have been doing in this campaign. Sports Authority of Gujarat launched Mobile to Sports Play at Home campaign during the COVID-19 pandemic to encourage sports persons and anybody who likes sports, who is associated with sports, to continue with their physical exercises, their sports skill training, and their fitness program, even during the COVID-19 pandemic, when sports complexes were closed, parks were closed, public places were closed.
We are not able to, excuse me, we are not able to see your presentation part.
Okay.
Slides are not moving.
Please reshare it, sir. Just stop sharing, then again share it. Maybe it can work.
देखो फिर से.
Yeah, now it's fine.
Now it's fine? Okay. So, COVID pandemic threw lots of challenges for maintaining our well-being and fitness in terms of physical activities. So this project actually tries to overcome these obstacles, not only for the sports persons, but for the people in general. There is another important side of this Mobile to Sports Play at Home campaign. It is that we may have observed that youngsters have started spending more time because they have to sit in enclosed spaces, mostly in their house. The use of mobile has increased and not always for good reasons. And therefore, we are trying to develop, and we have already developed, play at home techniques, fitness programs, which would allow the youngsters and people of all ages to take up physical activities, including sports. And that's what I am going to describe in my slides. So what we have done in this to start with is, we have launched our Facebook and YouTube channel platforms, which is a free access and free for us also, the people who are organizing this campaign. Here, our coaches and trainers, around 1,000 of them, from various disciplines, have developed in-house training videos. They are short videos which explain to people how you can play a sports within your house or within your campus if you have a little bigger house like a bungalow. And these short videos of 3 minutes and above are actually filtered through various stages to see the quality of the video in terms of its content and also in terms of its technicalities by a group of experts. Then each and every video is given a star rating starting from 5-star onwards to 0-star. And we try and upload only the 5-star and 4-star videos to our Facebook and YouTube channels. Next slide, please. In fact, every day we are uploading new videos, at least 15 to 20 of them, explaining new sports skill techniques, and various fitness programs, which are visible in our Facebook and our YouTube channel. Especially the sports persons in Gujarat, and of course, all over the world, anywhere they are encouraged to watch these videos and practice them at home. We have implemented this program for our sports persons, people who are our selected athletes rigorously. For example, a hockey player can practice at home. A tennis player can practice at home, so that whenever the national games start, the national championships start, our players are completely geared up to take part in the sports competitions. Moreover, we have to keep in mind that the Olympics will be held in July 2021. That is the current schedule which has been declared. So our top players also follow this regime. And not only that, they make their own videos. For example, Ankita Raina, who is female #1 tennis player in India. Manav Thakkar, who is table tennis world #1 in his category of age. Dhanraj Pillai, who is an ex-Olympian, there are several people who have joined this campaign by uploading their own videos and encouraging other sports persons and even the general public to take part. We have also uploaded videos of yoga, short yoga videos, which can be easily done by anybody. Follow some asanas to keep themselves fit. This also increases the immunity of the persons and helps us in fighting against the COVID pandemic. In this way, Mobile to Sports Play at Home campaign is not only helping the sports persons, but to maintain their sports skills, but also helping the general public to maintain their physical fitness and increasing their immunity to fight the COVID-19 pandemic. Next slide, please. See, this is also, in a way, a campaign to universalize the access of sports. And it has been found that people are very encouragingly joining this campaign to play, and they have started playing at home. And therefore, this initiative or the campaign achieves much greater significance during the corona pandemic. As a consequence, more and more youth are being attracted towards sports, yoga, physical activities, leaving behind the habit of spending too much time on mobile. This is a most important appeal of this campaign, like a de-addiction campaign. Next slide, please. In this slide, we just describe that it is very well known fact now that a lot of valuable time is being spent by people on non-useful activities on their mobile, such as mobile games. As a consequence, spending time on mobile is becoming an addiction, especially among the youth. Even the health authorities around the world have recognized these health problems, such as headaches, insomnia, problems in brain, blood vision, eye fatigue, burning and itching, sensation to eyes, neck, and even psychological problems associated with excessive use of mobile phones. This Mobile to Sports Play at Home campaign can overcome all these problems. And the inspiration for this Mobile to Sports Play at Home, we got it from the Honorable Prime Minister of India. And I would like to show you a short video of 1 minute, 10 seconds to, where it will perhaps summarize how we got the inspiration for this program. First slide. First slide. First slide. This one.
જ્યારે એક જીવનની દિશા બદલવા પ્રતિબદ્ધ હોય जो जिंदगी को खीलने के लिए अवसर देता है साधनों के बिना भी खेला जाता है જ્યારે એક સપનું હકીકત બનવાની રાહ પર પ્રતિબદ્ધ હોય નમસ્તે સત્ર પર ગુજરાત પાછું ન પડે એ માટે સરકાર પ્રતિબદ્ધ છે જ્યારે કોન્ફિડન્સ ની કવર રહે ડિસિપ્લિન ની સ્ટ્રેટ રહે સાથે મેળ ખાવા લાગે જ્યારે એ જીવનના દરેક મોડ સુધી પહોંચાડી શકતો હોય
જ્યારે ડિવોશન ડેડિકેશન અને ક્વિક ડિસિઝન પર્સનાલિટી ડેવલપ કરતા હોય
We are
ત્યારે
not.
ઘરમાં ભગવાનની ટ્રેનિંગ શક્ય છે
હોકીનું પરફેક્ટ કોચિંગ પણ પોસિબલ છે
કારણ કે જ્યારે જીતવાનો જુસ્સો હોય ખેલાડીમાં ખેલદિલી હોય ત્યારે ઘર રમતનું મેદાન પણ બની શકે અને કોચિંગ પિચ પણ ચાલો લેટ્સ ડુ પ્લે એટ હોમ ચાલો મોબાઈલ છોડીએ ઘરમાં જ રમીએ
Slide. Next.
એક વિષય જ્યારે ગુજરાતનું ભવિષ્ય બદલવાની રાહ છે તે
Please stop it. Please. Just a minute. Just a minute. We are going back to the presentation again. Just a minute. Nirmal, dhyan rakho. Next slide. It's taking time to upload. So we are using this kind of videos, inspirational videos, the words of Honorable Prime Minister of India, to convince people, particularly the young generations, to spend less time on mobile and spend at least some time during the day for sports. In this way, this campaign is also trying to de-addict people from excessive usage of mobile phones. And I'm very happy to point out that our research revealed that this is the first campaign in the world of this kind for de-addiction from mobile and trying to encourage people to join sports. So this is for the first time in the world. This kind of campaign or an initiative has been taken anywhere in the world. Next slide, please.
Sir, I would request you to conclude now, please.
Sorry.
I would request you to conclude.
Yeah, I've just a couple of slides only. So this is a very unique project. It provides a solution to sports person to continue with their sports skills during this pandemic situation. It increases the universal access of sports by encouraging people to play at home. It is helping to reduce the excessive usage of mobiles by attracting more and more people towards sports and promoting play at home techniques. Next slide, please. See, I'm happy to state that till today, from 1st October 2020, 7.35 lakh people from 58 countries have visited our website, our Facebook, and there are 29,316 subscribers to our YouTube channel, and more than 3.5 lakh people have taken benefit of our YouTube channel. Next slide, please. Mobile to Sports initiative is being appreciated, has been appreciated by many international sports persons, such as John T. Rhodes, South African international cricketer, Adil Sumariwala, the Olympian and President of All India Athletics Federation, Padma Shri Dhanraj Pillai, Ankita Raina, India's women's tennis #1 player, Manav Thakkar, table tennis under 21 world #1, Harmeet Desai, table tennis Asian gold medalist, Mr. Robin Uthappa, Indian international cricketer, chess grandmaster, Mr. Evgeny Vladimirov from Kazakhstan. Next slide, please. Just short, very short videos. These are 30 seconds. Please play the first one from Jonty Rhodes, the international cricketer from South India.
Hello, CV Som. This is Jonty Rhodes, and I bring this special message for
Not
you
visible,
from
please.
your team. This is great work by the leaders of the Sports Authority of Gujarat in promoting sports in the state of Gujarat, especially the Mobile to Sports initiative that they started during the pandemic. Keep up the good work to the whole team and to you, Mr. CV Som.
इसको बंद करो जल्दी. Next slide, please. Next slide, जल्दी से. Nirmal, time नहीं.
Next slide.
I'm Anand Subhaniwala,
Bravo.
Olympian, Arjuna awardee, winner of 22 national gold medals. My national record in 100 meters stood for 18 years, and I also equaled the Asian Games record. I have been an athlete, an award-winning coach, and a sports administrator. Presently, I'm the president of the Athletics Federation of India and a council member of World Athletics. Firstly, I want to congratulate the Department of Sports Government of Gujarat under the visionary Principal Secretary, Mr. C.V. Som, for their Mobile to Sports campaign. Sports persons and coaches have been really struggling through these unprecedented COVID times, and their training routines have been severely affected. Through this campaign, the Sports Authority of Gujarat has helped connect these sports persons to coaches and on a technical platform so that continuity in their training is maintained. This, to a very large extent, has provided a solution to this ongoing problem. With my roots in Suwali, near Surat, I feel very, very proud. And I once again would like to congratulate the government of Gujarat, the Sports Authority of Gujarat for their commendable effort with this initiative, which I believe should become a national initiative. Thank you, Jai.
Nirmal, जल्दी से next one.
I think we are not able to see any of these. So,
अच्छा.
so there is no point.
No, but I think we would like to show it to you, this one.
No, but we are not able to see any of these. Even the first
So
two we are-
what is the technique that we adopt?
I don't know.
Because we have sent you this presentation.
I think that is better.
No, we have sent you.
Okay.
We have
that's
sent you the
good.
mail that has got this presentation because it's
Okay.
very important. At least you can hear them, no? So,
Yeah,
okay, we will not show you the third one.
We are able to hear and we appreciate that.
Okay, next slide, please. Last one. And that's it basically from us. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. I think it's a really very, very good initiative you have taken. And I tell you, this is the problem of the world, not of the India and any state. De-addiction, I think this is the right word you have used. And you have said about youth. But what I tell you is, it is more about children also. Youth
Yes.
have still something to do. But children, unless they are asked to study, they will only do this thing. So I have my own experience. My 10 years old granddaughter, she works on mobile, she works on iPad, she works on laptop at the same time. And if the parents wants to know whether she is sleeping or not, they have to switch off the internet. Then only they can know. So this is something really I know, and they have let sport. There is no, and even if they play individually, no, they don't play in groups. So I congratulate you for taking such an initiative. Good. Thank you.
Sir, very outstanding and brilliant idea is behind this initiative. But my observation is that it need to be more popularized. Persons like us and Mr. Madan Mohan, we are not aware. So there is a need to popularize it, publicize it, so that many people can benefit it, not only Gujarat state.
Right.
Absolutely correct. And see, to be honest with you, we have been campaigning on the internet, and we have been campaigning through various media. And see, this is a campaign more than any scheme or something. It's a campaign, and it has to spread all over the world. And believe me, 58 countries, people from 58 countries have visited our website, our Facebook and YouTube. And see, when we come to your forum, that is the Scotch Awards, this is also a forum, I think, which will spread this wonderful idea of
Sure.
mobile to sports.
Sure.
So we are also
Definitely.
doing in our best to spread this all over the world. So we are actually in negotiations with FIFA, the Football Federation, International Football Federation. Through Adil Sumariwala, we are in negotiation with International Athletics Federation and the other countries to spread this message. And it does not, we say that it does not need any expenditure of money to join this campaign. And as you can see, some of the international sports persons have joined us. That's why the following, you can see 7.35 lakh people have visited our Facebook within a short period of 6 months. So we are trying our level best to reach people, and we will reach more and more people in the coming months.
Very good, sir. Very heartening to know.